What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this is the 2021 Mercedes E-Class long wheelbase. And this is the E-Class long wheelbase's first debut. Now, those who want a fancier Mercedes E-Class but can't make it to the financial effort to buy the S-Class usually opt out for the CLS. But the situation is a bit different in China, where the E-Class is built and sold locally exclusively with a long wheelbase you can't have outside of the People's Republic. Now, the facelifted version debuted this week at the 2020 Beijing Auto Show with the same array of tweaks as the international model, but the E-Class long wheelbase measures 5,056 millimeters or 199 inches, while the distance between the axle grows by 140 millimeters or 5.5 inches compared to the normal E. Now it's actually slightly longer, plus 22 millimeters or 0.9 inches than the pre-facelift model introduced by the Beijing Benz Automotive Co., or BBAC, a joint venture for over 4 years ago. Now it's billed as being the fully fledged 5-seater car with increased comfort for the person stuck in the middle. The CN spec E-Class L also boasts a new center console with a built-in touchscreen and pair of USB ports. As is the case with the global E-Class, the Chinese version switches to the MBUX infotainment system and gets the company's latest multi-beam LED headlights and LED taillights. Now, the stretch E-Class is not the only premiere at the Beijing Motor Show, as Mercedes also brought the locally manufactured V-Class that we talked about earlier this week, also the AMG GLA 35 and the GLB 35 Duo. And it's worth mentioning that the elongated E-Class is sold alongside a similar configuration of the C-Class with this wheelbase stretched out for improved legroom. Mercedes has expanded the LWB treatment beyond the sedans, launching a GLC-L towards the end of 2018 in China, where it's also selling an A-Class L complete with an AMG 35 derivative. So what do you guys think about the extra legroom that you get in the E-Class long wheelbase? Let me know, because it's only available in China. So, it's one of those things we can hope, but we cannot buy. Now, with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Mercedes E-Class long wheelbase debut in Beijing. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. In case you guys want to help donate a couple of dollars to the channel, you can always do that. You can also check out the Patreon as well, be a monthly subscriber, or check out the Ron's Rides merch, where you can get coffee mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, pillows, everything Ron's Rides. Check that out as well. Follow me on social media as well, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, car memes, videos, and pictures that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe. We're going for our first 1,000 subscribers, but click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox and don't miss one. Guys, with that said, be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides News video. Peace.